Up to this point in the course, we always just worked with one model, with this book model. And of course, that's not too realistic. Very often in the websites you're going to build, you will have more than one data entity. For example, here, we might also have an author. Well, actually, we already do store some author data here, but it's a hard-coded text. We might want to store authors as separate data entities, also to ensure that we don't try to add Max to two different books, and one time we type Max, and one time we type Maximilian, so that we mean the same author but type it differently. That's why we might want to store authors as a separate data entity so that we don't have to re-enter their data all the time, but we can just point at an existing author and assign that to a book. And that actually is a nice transition to the core topic of this course section. Because this course section is not just about adding more models, but about adding connected models. It is about data relationships. Because in reality, when you're building real websites and real web applications, you don't just have multiple data entities, but often you also have relations between those data entities. And that is something we, of course, also are missing until now. Therefore, in this course section, we're going to explore what exactly data relationships are and which kinds of data relationships we can identify. And then, of course, we're going to learn how we can manage and set up such relations with Django models.